Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily find all solutions to this basic trigonometric equation, and then we'll find solutions in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We're going to solve the equation 2 sine theta is equal to plus or minus root 2. We'll begin by reducing this equation to sine theta is equal to a constant. We'll divide both sides of the equation by 2, and we get sine theta is equal to plus or minus root 2 divided by 2. Let's now find the quadrants for our solution theta. Let's divide up our equation into the positive equation and the negative equation. So we have sine theta is equal to positive root 2 over 2. And then we have sine theta is equal to negative root 2 over 2. For our first equation, theta is the arc sine of root 2 over 2. And because sine is positive, theta lies in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 2. When sine theta is negative, theta is equal to the arc sine of minus root 2 over 2. And theta is located in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. If you need to review how to evaluate inverse trig functions like this, you can watch the video I have called How to Evaluate Inverse Trigonometric Functions. We'll now plot the value of sine theta on the unit circle. Our first solution to theta is equal to arc sine root 2 over 2 is equal to pi over 4 and lies in our first quadrant, and this is our reference angle. Our other solution lies in the second quadrant, and theta in the second quadrant is pi minus our reference angle, which is pi minus pi over 4, which gives us 3 pi over 4. Our first solution is going to be pi over 4 plus 2n pi. And then our second solution we found was 3 pi over 4 plus 2n pi. The solution from 0 up to 2 pi is going to be pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4. And we remind ourselves that n is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, etc. So we have the positive one done. Let's go back up and let's do the negative one. We'll start by noting that our reference angle in the first quadrant is equal to pi over 4. When sine is negative, the solution is going to be in the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. In the third quadrant, our angle is going to be pi plus theta sub r. So this is going to be pi plus pi over 4, and it's equal to 5 pi over 4. Our solution in our fourth quadrant is going to be 2 pi minus our reference angle, theta sub r. So this is 2 pi minus pi over 4, and this gives us a value of 7 pi over 4. Our theta is going to be 5 pi over 4 plus 2n pi, and then 7 pi over 4 plus 2n pi. And if we're just going between 0 and 2 pi, our answer is going to be 5 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.